We are back. Morning of day 2, the NAB show in Las Vegas. I'm here with my colleague Lucas. I actually don't know if his name is Luke or if it's Lucas and we call him Luke. Okay, it's Luke. It's Luke. All right. Anyways, we are about to go see what we can see today. Representing Adobe. Let's get out there. Good day, great day. We are gonna head home. Yeah, we'll give one big thanks to Adobe again for the opportunity. All right, now let's teleport home. Sure. Whoa. Don't you love magic?
That was pretty cool.
All right, well, we're back in the hotel. Day 2 is officially over. It was a good day. There's a lot of cool stuff. I guess the highlight would be the Andrew Kramer of Video Copilot. He did a demo for Adobe today, and he just went over like some interesting, innovative ways to start thinking about creating After Effects projects and just the way he navigates them. What do you think?
Yeah, I thought it was a great day overall. Big thanks to Adobe for bringing us out here. I cannot thank you guys enough
for the opportunity.
It's been an amazing 5 days, and let's make it an amazing 6th day.
All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow.